SoFSI is a unique world-leading facility that provides dynamic testing at very large scale. Things to do with energy generation, whether that's nuclear or renewables, the development of new bridges, new infrastructure, new large buildings, is part of a nationwide initiative of approximately £150 million that's being rolled out across the country to really give that infrastructure development that the UK needs to be a world player.
We need such large-scale facilities because our structures are aging, our structures are falling, the climatic conditions and other natural hazards are increasing. Therefore, we desperately need to inject smartness into our systems and make sure that with a reduced amount of money, we get the best possible performance for the society and for the community as a whole.
From components, for example, in hospitals that cannot be subjected to high vibration and that are highly expensive, or application for robotics, where basically tiny movement can completely mess up the functioning of the whole system, and building resilient structure and infrastructure to earthquakes, like schools or other critical facilities.
The facility includes 3 different areas, 2 shaking tables and 1 soil pit. The large shaking table is a 6x4 platform that is able to apply harmonic and random dynamic loads on very large specimens up to 50 tons. Next to it, we're installing the hexapod, small but super powerful, mini monster as we call it. It can accelerate the specimens up to 10 G for frequencies that exceed 50 Hz. The soil pit is something different. It's an underground space.
A huge hole in the ground, very deep, with a lot of concrete around, that allows you to pour sand and soil and simulate what really happens in, for example, in the abutment of a real bridge, but in a highly monitored way. This can mean we can inform and improve our design practices and assessment practices thanks to the information that we get from the experiments that we are running here.
Through more than 100 interviews and talks and collaboration with industry, we hope that we have produced something that is not only interesting for us, it is also useful for the industry and useful for the society.
This facility will provide new routes to net zero sustainability across the whole infrastructure, getting there faster, cheaper, quicker. It allows us to partner with partners across the world, develop this next generation of technologies. It'll bring new engineers into the industry, really sets us up to be a global player in the development of next generation infrastructure.